Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest gaming tips and tricks. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple hack method to get unlimited gems and coins in airplane chefs using this easy-to-follow hack guide. It works on both iOS and Android and doesn't require any jailbreaking, rooting, or even a computer. I've tested it myself, and as you can see, the gems and coins was successfully added to my account. Now, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is find our user ID. This is really important because we'll need it in the next step. To locate your user ID, open the app and go to your profile section. Make sure to copy it or write it down somewhere so you can use it in the next step. Got it? Great. Let's move on. Next, open your preferred browser and go to this website. This platform has tools for various games and apps, but today we're focusing on Airplane Chef's hack. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the hack for Airplane Chefs and click on it to open the tool. Now, we'll need to enter some basic details. Select your platform, iOS or Android, and enter your username, the user ID we copied earlier. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct, then tap the Connect button. The system will now process your request and link to the game's servers. This is fully automated and completely secure, so just wait for it to complete. Once your account is connected, you'll see an option to select your resources. Choose how much gems you want and tap the Generate button. At this stage, the tool will start working, bypassing security and injecting the resources. This might take a minute or two, so just be patient. We're almost done. Now, the final step is a quick verification process. This step confirms that you're a real player and not a bot. You'll need to complete a simple task, like downloading and opening an app for a few seconds, or completing a short survey. It's really easy and only takes a couple of minutes. If you get stuck, there's a video guide on the website to help you out. Once you've completed the verification, the gems and coins will be instantly added to your account. As you can see, after completing all the steps, I went back into the Airplane Chefs and my gems and coins balance is fully loaded. Now, I can enjoy the game without worrying about running out of resources. And that's it. If this guide helped you, make sure to leave a like and share this video with your friends. If you have any questions, drop a comment below with your username, and I'll try to help out as much as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more gaming tips and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy gaming. See you in the next video.